Generic payment systems process billions of transactions across industries, but healthcare isn't just another industry. With complex billing systems, claims processing, and strict compliance requirements, healthcare providers need more than a one-size-fits-all solution. 43% of healthcare providers say that inefficient payment systems lead to delayed reimbursements, resulting in revenue losses and patient dissatisfaction. That's why we built Paynova, a payment solution designed exclusively for healthcare providers. With Paynova, claims processing isn't just faster, it's automated. Healthcare providers lose an average of $15,000 per quarter to denied claims and manual errors. Paynova's automation reduces these losses by up to 40%. In 2022 alone, data breaches cost the healthcare industry over $9 billion. Paynova protects sensitive patient data with HIPAA and PCI DSS compliance, ensuring your systems are always audit-ready. Generic systems weren't made for healthcare, and they weren't made for you. Paynova offers real solutions to real challenges, saving you time, money, and resources. Healthcare providers using Paynova save up to $12,000 annually in operational costs, reduce claim reprocessing times by 50%, and improve patient satisfaction by 30%. Don't let inefficient payment systems hold your practice back. Paynova, because healthcare payments deserve a solution as dedicated as you are.